Welcome to the world of effortless email marketing automation. Instantly react to subscriber behaviors without lifting a finger. You can automatically send emails or perform other actions based on a specific event or multiple triggers such as clicking a link or completing a form. You can set up an email automation in just a few minutes. Explore the extensive selection of templates that have been specifically designed to cater to the needs of various businesses. These are customizable with just a few clicks for added flexibility, allowing for quick and easy adjustments that guarantee a tailored result every time. With MailerLite's intuitive interface and comprehensive suite of features, you'll be able to save time while strengthening relationships with your audience effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? Try MailerLite free today. Get a jumpstart on building your web pages, pop-ups, and newsletters with MailerLite. Choose from one of our amazing designs that fit your business needs and easily make it your own. Our drag and drop editors make it super easy for anyone to customize templates like a pro. You can even save custom blocks for your campaigns so you no longer have to build them from scratch for each campaign. But it doesn't stop there. Enhance your newsletter content ideas using the AI content generator, empowering you to produce engaging, effective email content in seconds. Simply click on the area you want to add text to, click the AI icon, choose your tone, style, and enter in your prompt, and you are done. These are just a few of the many tools you can use to grow your audience faster and drive revenue smarter. Oh, did I mention this is also backed by 24/7 award-winning customer support? Sign up free for MailerLite and get a 30-day premium trial today. Get ready to elevate your email engagement with MailerLite's Subscriber Preference Center. With just a few clicks, you can set up the preference center that empowers your subscribers to choose how they interact with your emails, including sending frequency, timing, and content topics. Match your brand design, simply click edit, and customize your branding and preferences to make it truly yours. When subscribers receive your content, they will see this in the footer. By clicking this link, they can take control of their email experience, easily updating their personal information and even choosing how often they want to hear from you. It's that simple. So why wait? Sign up for MailerLite today and start empowering your subscribers to choose the content they love.